How to master advance booking in 3 easy steps. A question we get asked a lot is, when is the best time to book my trip? Well, it's not a one-size-fits-all answer. It really depends on the type of trip that you're planning. So we've created the ultimate guide to booking your trip in advance so you never miss out on the best prices or the best seats. Time before trip. What to book? Why it matters. 6 to 8 months. If you're dreaming of an international flight or a luxury stay at a 5-star hotel, start your search 6 to 8 months before your trip. This gives you the best seat selection on the plane and the best early bird rates at the hottest hotels. 4 to 6 months. Planning a national flight or a guided tour. Prices will rise as demand grows. So to get the best deal, book 4 to 6 months in advance. 2 to 3 months. Ready to lock in a budget hotel or a car rental? This is the sweet spot to book, as you'll get the ideal balance of price and availability. 1-2 months. Planning to visit local attractions or trying to score a restaurant deal? Book 1 to 2 months in advance to ensure you don't miss out on the top-rated spots as they fill up fast. 1 to 2 weeks. Searching for a last-minute discount. You might be able to score a deal, but your options will be limited. Step 1. Know your trip type. A weekend getaway requires a different booking lead time than a 3-week summer vacation. Are you jetting off for an international tour or a local day trip? Different trips need different planning timelines. So start by figuring out what type of trip you're taking. Step 2. Use the 3-phase booking rule. Early phase, 6 to 8 months before your trip. This is the time to book your international flights and any unique stays like an Airbnb with a hot tub or a treehouse. You'll also want to secure any non-refundable tours or tickets during this phase. Middle phase, 3 to 5 months before your trip. It's time to lock in your budget hotels and car rentals. This is typically when prices start to increase, so you'll want to make sure you're getting the best rate. Late phase, 2 to 4 weeks before your trip. This is when you'll confirm any experiences or activities you want to do. And it's also smart to book a backup option in case your first choice is sold out. Step 3. Set price alerts. Plus track trends. Use apps like Google Flights or Hopper to track price changes and get notified when prices dip. You can also track trends by visiting websites like nalfnash.net or adnomoyad.com and saving your preferred trip as a favorite. That way, you'll be among the first to know when prices drop or increase. Pro tip: bundle your hotel and flight together for up to 20% off. This is especially useful if you're traveling to a top destination in the summer. Mastering the art of advance booking takes practice, but following these tips will help you become a pro. Have a good trip.